Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Read to Gain. Today I am going to show you how to download OALD, that means Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, on your Android phone. Most of the people try to download it on their phone, on their Android phone, but it shows like this. So now I'm going to solve this problem. Let's start. First, I'm going to uninstall it. Okay, then I reinstall it again. Let's see. Okay, after installation, this APK files on Android phone, uh, you have to open it. Okay, and then it should ask you to give permission, then you have to continue. Okay, then you just clear it on background. Okay, then you have to go file manager and you have to search Android folder. Here is my file manager, and you have to search Android folder name. Here is Android. Here is the Android folder. So open it, then search data. Here is data folder, then open data. Then you have to search a folder that names is like this: com.slovoed.oald. So you have to search this name. So slide down and try to see that name. Okay, we don't get it, but now you have to copy this name and you have to now create new folder here. Okay, so first of all you have to go file manager, then go to Android folder, and then go to data folder, and then you have to create a new folder, and this folder name should be com.slovoed.oald. That's it, and create new folder. Here is the folder created. Now open it. Now add here another folder, and this folder's name should be files. Okay, now create it. Now you have to copy or move to other files. That files are given on description, so please check description and try to download these files. These files here are 3 files, and I give all of these files on video description. So now you have to move. After downloading these 2 files from the video descriptions, you have to move it now. Here, move to internal, then you have to go again there where you have created the folder that names files. So again you have to go Android folder, and then data, and then com.slovate.old, and then files, and then paste here or move here. Okay, now this step is complete. So you have to now go again on APK file which you install. Okay, let's see now. Here you see it's working. Here if you want to use it, then you have to follow the tricks which I am giving you. Here you can learn British accent or American accent properly. So I think it will be very helpful for the student. Let's see the accent. I'm typing the word acquire. Let's see the accent. This one is BRE, this one is British English, that means British accent. Acquire. And then it's North American English, that means American English. Acquire. So if you want to hear sentences in British English or American, then you have to press just this blue icon, that is British English, and the red icon is American English.
How long will it take to acquire the necessary skills?
Here is
She has acquired a good knowledge of English. She has acquired a good knowledge of English.
when you want to hear the whole sentences, you have to connect with a Wi-Fi, or you must need Wi-Fi connection or net connection or internet connection. So that's for today. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.